Nails are made up of protein called keratin and are found at the tips of fingers and toes. They serve various functions including protection, sensation, and manipulation of objects. Nails grow from the nail matrix, which is located at the base of the nail bed. The rate of nail growth can be affected by factors such as age, nutrition, and injury. Nails can also provide important information about a person's health as changes in their color, texture, or shape can indicate underlying medical conditions. Proper nail care involves keeping them clean, trimmed, and moisturized and avoiding habits such as biting or picking at them. If you apply any nail polish, don't let it be for a long time. Remove it soon because nail polish has some chemicals which can damage your nails. Make sure make sure to wash your hands and feet regularly, especially before and after handling food, using the restroom, or doing any activities that may soil your hands or feet. Dry your nails thoroughly after washing them to prevent the growth of bacteria or fungi. Avoid leaving your nails wet or damp for extended periods of time, as this can promote the growth of fungi. Keep your nails short and trimmed to reduce the chances of dirt and bacteria getting trapped under them. And use clean and sharp nail clippers to trim your nails and file the edges to smooth them out. Avoid biting nails. Baby's nails clean is to trim them regularly with baby nail clippers or scissors. It's important to do this carefully to avoid accidentally cutting the baby's skin. You can also use a baby nail file to smooth any rough edges after clipping. It's important to keep the baby's nails to prevent the build up of dirt. Share this video, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.